headed back to New Orleans, driving in the country past old-timey scene. Big birds were singing in the tall willow tree, mighty fine. 3 words written on a paper bag, I miss you, was written in a message in black, thrown in a van, it's 1,000 miles back, a better time. And how many souls and times that I've told, places that I'd want to be, and how many days when I could have stayed instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. A long coat, walking on a New York street, a pack of crushed cigarettes fell to her feet. Well, ain't it odd how some people meet, but that's the truth. And 2 pictures buried in a guitar case, underneath the music sheets all over the place. I caught a glimpse of the sweetest girl's face I ever knew. And how many souls and times that I've told, places that I'd like to be, and how many days when I could have stayed instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. And all the days from now to then, if they never seem to come or to go, find me in your memories that keep you from getting so low. And given we make time, meet you down the line. Down the line, meet up down the line. Down the line.
It's her home.
Crowns packed, but I'm alright. Gonna let myself let go. I didn't live up to his standards, but he didn't
but my